how to use DataRobot for business automation. In today's fast-paced business environment, automation is key to staying competitive. DataRobot offers an advanced platform for automating machine learning processes, making it easier for businesses to leverage data-driven insights without needing extensive expertise in data science. Let's dive into how you can use DataRobot to automate your business operations and drive efficiency. First, DataRobot allows you to easily upload your data. You can import datasets from various sources such as CSV files, SQL databases, or cloud services. Once uploaded, DataRobot begins by automatically analyzing your data, which helps in identifying patterns and important features. The platform employs cutting-edge algorithms to build and test multiple machine learning models. This automated model selection allows you to quickly find the best performing models for your specific business needs. You'll benefit from superior predictions without the manual trial and error typically involved in model development. DataRobot also simplifies deployment. Once a suitable model is selected, it can be integrated into your existing systems through REST APIs. This seamless integration means your business can start using the insights of machine learning models almost immediately, thereby enhancing decision-making processes and operational workflows. Moreover, DataRobot continuously learns and adapts. It provides ongoing monitoring and maintenance of models, ensuring they remain accurate and reliable as data evolves. This feature is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and relevance of automated processes over time. Finally, DataRobot helps you democratize AI across your organization. Its user-friendly interface and automated processes mean that even non-experts can participate in and benefit from machine learning projects. This broad engagement fosters a more innovative and forward-thinking culture within your business.